What's really cool with Syncly is, and Bellmont in particular, is that we utilize all aspects of it, not just the front end design software and ordering tools, but in-house with Insight.
My name is Dan Swanson. I'm the Vice President of Product Marketing here at Bellmont. I oversee all of new products coming into our product lines, ranging from opening price point product all the way through to fully near custom. We utilize both 2020 Design and Insight together. So our customers are placing orders through our dealer base with 2020 Design through our portal, which feeds into Insight, which runs our factory.
About 75% of our orders are imported through the kit file process. It's going to bring in all the lines, price them, and if there's any issues, it'll show as red, meaning that something needs to be answered. That's my order in Insight right now. It brought in all the information, and now all my lines are in here. Once the order is into our Insight system, we don't have to touch it until it goes to production. We have relatively no order entry staff since we started this process.
My name is Tim. I'm in charge of Insight ERP within Bellmont. Once our orders have been approved through our system and optimized in batches, they're sent down to the WinStore, which pulls all of the material. It can feed both our nested-based routers and our panel saws. All the data comes straight from Insight into the WinStore. The WinStore interprets all the machine posts that comes from the machines and then can load all of our machines so that all the parts can be cut for all the orders.
One of my favorite parts of Insight is the Gen Post piece. It's a single file that goes through the secondary post-processing that can then generate CNC files for all of your machines on the floor. So you end up with one CNC program name that you can put on a barcode on a part, but each machine that then needs to process some sort of operation, whether it be doweling or dados or line boring, they can all read that same CNC program name, but do different machine steps based on the routing operation setup within Insight. It reduces the number of labels, it reduces paperwork, and it gives you full control over all of your data, as Insight can just handle all of this through one operational step.
We use Insight to print up the paperwork for the jobs as they get cut and collated over there to match up the doors with all the box parts, accessory parts, and whatnot. And then it gets brought in here to the finish room. We do on average probably about 2,400 pieces a shift, sometimes more, it depends. Now what we pull in is very dependent on basically like ship date. So sometimes we have large chunks of just one color or door style, and sometimes it's a lot of little one-offs. We measure and label all the pieces, and we use Insight to basically verify that we have all the correct pieces, all the correct accessory parts. All the jobs stay together, and then when it makes its way down here to QC is where then it kind of goes its separate ways. So the production stuff will end up over here for assembly to actually assemble the cabinets, and the accessory parts work their way that way, where they then get wrapped and shipped out to the customer.
This is a pick system on a wire guidance lift. Just travels back and forth. We pick the parts for the cabinets, then they go to the beginning of the production line at the north side of the building. In terms of replenishments, when our inventory gets down to a certain level, it's going to trigger our replenishment team to go pick a new pallet of this product out of what we call our overflow section, and then they will come and refill this bag.
One of the modules that we're really excited about with Insight is the asset management module. And what you see behind me here is the Medulla machine, and it actually has close to 1 million assets or parts stored in this 7-story machine, and they're all asset tagged within the module. So every component is tagged with the label and tracked throughout the entire assembly process. We'll put an RFID tag on the back of the cabinet so that when it leaves the building, it's all tracked. In general, with RFID, a big win for us is eliminating a lot of the hand scanning that would take place. Now, we just push the whole cart through the gate, the RFID tags get read. It saves us about 800 hand scans a shift, so that's a lot in savings.
We can offer a customer not just a design experience that is top-notch, they can also order through that design software. It goes right into our system and it provides us with the manufacturing tools to provide a product that is consistent with what they're ordering. So it's really that full end-to-end platform that we get with Syncly that I think stands out from the rest.